Welcome, Charlottesville families. This is Cardio Dance Fitness, where we can make a strong heart while we're having lots of fun. I'm Kelly Walters, PE teacher at Johnston Elementary, and I welcome you to this cardio fitness workout. All right, first one is going to be pattern A, and that's what we start with. All you're going to do is, and it doesn't matter which foot you use, you can go either foot first, but you're going to step front, side, back, together. And when you step together, you're going to clap. You can clap above your head, and that's good for getting your heart rate up and a better workout. Or you can clap in front of you. It doesn't matter. So you have front, side, back, together. Then you switch feet. This foot down. Front, side, back, together. You're going to do that 4 times in a row. And it's going to go a little faster than what we just did. So you have front, side, back, together. Front, side, back, together. Front, side, back, together. Front, side, back, together.
Here we go, come on. They can see us coming from a mile away. They wanna see us, wanna be us, now we don't play. Yeah, getting fancy, edge of your seat. We got a groove making you move, now come on, get on your feet.
Part B is stepping out in a V. So you're going to step out with one foot, then out with the other. Again, it doesn't matter which one first. And then you're going to jump back and go right back where you started. So you're going to jump back, back, together. So you have front, back, back, together. Front, back, together. And when I'm jumping back, I'm kind of jumping back at my feet in a V, but it doesn't matter. You can do it how you want to do it. You're going to do that 3 times, and then you're going to strike a pose. You're going to pose, and then cross your arms. So we have nice and slow. Front, back, together. Front, back, together. 3rd time, front, back, together. Strike a pose, and cross your arms.
It's like 1, 2, what's the move? I got 2, 3, follow me. I got 4, 5, that's the vibe. I like 6, do it like this.
Alright, the next part is going to be like the raise the roof, but you're going to do a side step and a raise the roof. So you're going to step to the side and raise the roof to the side together. Raise the roof to the side together. Raise the roof to the side together. Raise the roof. Now, you do 8 of them total for part C. So you have a choice there. You can do this arm here, and that was what the instructor did. So you step to the side, it's like you're shooting a basketball, and step to the side, well, kind of like you're shooting. Or you can keep doing to raise the roof, or you could do the twist. It doesn't matter, anything you want to do.
Right now, get up. Right now, get up. Right now, get up.
Do it like this.
Right now, get up. Right now, get up. Right now, get up.
Do it like this.
So, part D is going to be like a march, but you start to get down to the ground. So you're going to march down to the ground and hold like, I'm lost. That's normal. You're seeing it for the first time up to speed. You can always re-watch this video, practice each part by itself, nice and slow. I'm going to tell you a dance teacher and a dancer's secret. If you can do it slow, you can learn to do it fast. Some people, like myself, need to do it over and over again slow, and then your brain will start to figure out the patterns, and then you'll be able to do it fast. Don't give up. Don't worry about it being perfect. Most importantly, move and have fun. I hope you have fun with this. I miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.